This is your reminder that this retrograde season, astrologically, is far more ancestrally involved than our normal retrograde seasons. And sometimes reaping what the ancestors have sown for you is not always the most fun thing. Sometimes it's great. We all have different mixes of inheritances and what that looks like and where they come from. We all come from different peoples and different stories and different bloods and different backgrounds. So this is your reminder to rest, to take it slow, to do your best, because we don't get to control our inheritances from our ancestors. What we can control is how we respond. What we can control is how we react. What we can control is if we are going to do the same or do differently. And whether that's a good or bad thing is going to depend upon the inheritance and honestly your decisions and your morals. This is something that really started when Pluto started retrograding earlier this year. But now that we have Saturn and Neptune and Chiron involved within the retrograde space, especially with Saturn and Neptune in Pisces, which is the final sign of our astrological wheel. So we're having cycles come to a close regardless of having the ancestors involved in it, but the retrograde, they become involved. Sometimes there's not a problem to be solved. Sometimes the reaping what has been sown, sometimes it's just overgrown and needs to be cut down to clear room and to clear space. So give yourself some grace. We don't get to control what we inherit. We are literally born into it without really a say. Give yourself some time. It's gonna be okay. Keep doing what you need to do. Go and brew. And remember that you can control what is inherited from you. That's true.